Okay, I need my attention up here in 3, 2, 1. Good. So yesterday you guys started doing iRace on every single one of your questions. Today what you're going to do is you are going to finish using the iRace process steps to complete this test. Okay? I'm going to be walking around and I'm going to be calling students up to my table who I see need a little bit more work using iRace. Okay? Okay, remember, you are only to come up to me and get your Scantron when you have gotten it approved that you've used iRace on each question. Sound good?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, get to work. As an example, I want you guys to see what annotating a test, like an exemplary model of annotating a test, okay? You can see how much writing and how much note-taking is all over her test. Good. Over here I have everyone with notes next to each question. They've written their reasoning for each answer. Okay, my 3 students that I asked to come up and review iRace, please come to me within the next 30 seconds. Bring your test booklet, not your Scantron, your test booklet. The expectation is for the rest of you to continue working. Okay, grab a seat. Grab a seat. How you guys doing? Good. Okay, you guys have notes. I see that. I just want you guys to use a little bit more on the questions and the answers. Okay, so I want you to flip to number 10 on the back. Okay, 10 on the back. I'm going to quickly go over the entire iRace process with you guys, and then you guys are going to work through 10 in front of me. Sound good? Okay. So, every time you see a question, you're going to use this iRace acronym. What does I stand for?
Investigate.
And R?
Reflect on the answer.
Good. A?
Analyze the wrong answers.
C?
Name the right answer.
And E?
Evidence to prove.
Okay, very good. What if you get to E and you realize there's no evidence to prove that your answer is correct?
Your prior knowledge to find the answer.
Okay, using prior knowledge, or should you check your answer again?
Yes.
Definitely. This is the final check. Okay? All right, I need my class to be silent. Thank you. All right, investigate what?
Investigate the question.
Okay, so when we investigate, what do? We think about and we look for clues, right? We look closely at the question. So we're gonna figure out everything we need to know for this question right here, number 10. I want you guys to show me how you would investigate the question. Right here, I already see Jordan has clarified a word. That's a good start. I see Rosa pulling out keywords. Very good. Okay, so right here, what does complete?
Finish.
Finish, okay, so you can reword that by putting finish. What is the best way to finish the web? Very good, everyone's done that. What's my next step? I-R.
Reflect on the answer.
Okay, so we're gonna go through F, G, H, and J, and I want you guys to reword each one or give me reasoning for why they are right or wrong. Okay? Go through that and I'll watch you guys. Good. Jordan is going back and he's checking his work. So he can literally use evidence from the parking information sheet to answer this question. Girls in group 6, I need you working. You guys have 5 minutes remaining. Okay, very good. I can see that you all have had the chance to go through and analyze each answer choice. When you were doing that, was it easy to see which ones were right and wrong? Okay, so the next thing you need to do is A, analyze for wrong answers, which is just process of elimination, right? So I want you to select the first one you think is wrong. Cross it out.
J.
Okay. And then cross out the next one you think is definitely wrong. Okay, now you're left with 2 different answers. Okay, I want you to select the answer that you think is the best choice. This is how you claim your answer. Okay, good. And now the final touch, we need to provide our evidence, right? So go ahead, once you provide your evidence, show me, and I will check over it. And then you guys are good to go. Okay, good. Now put that in your own words on your paper. Yep, put it in your own words. So it says right here, maximum $27. Okay, so you would say on the parking information sheet, it says very good. I want you to use this whole process and I want each question to look like that, okay? Good job. Thank you. You can go back to your seat. Excellent. You wrote a whole paragraph. I know you're getting that one right. Very good. Use that whole process for the rest of your questions. Excellent. Very good. All right, so is everything clear on this process? And you can use each step on the rest of your questions?
Yes.
Awesome.